You read about it all the time. The government is investigating a company for alleged misconduct. It might be the Department of Justice, the SEC, the CFPB, or a state agency. It could be a criminal investigation, it could be financial scandal, or it could be foreign bribery. You might find this story interesting, unless your company is the target of the investigation. Because if it is, even if the allegations are meritless, you're in for a long and expensive fight. These investigations can last years and cost a lot of money. You'll be spending money on lawyers, experts, and electronic discovery. If your company becomes a target of a government investigation, or if you get caught up in the investigation of another company, there are a lot of things you need to do. But one thing you shouldn't do is forget about insurance coverage, because your insurance policies can pay for the cost of responding to a government investigation. There are a couple different insurance policies that might provide coverage. One is directors and officers policy. Those policies can not only cover individual directors and officers, but they often cover the company's own direct liability as a defendant. There may also be coverage for errors and omissions policies or professional liability policies. Those might provide coverage as well. They provide coverage for the wrongful acts of the company and its employees. Each of these types of policies is usually what's called a claims-made policy. It provides coverage once a claim is first made against the policyholder. Because government investigations can start in a variety of ways, the key question is, well, what can you get coverage for? Or in other words, what's a claim? Can you get coverage for an informal or formal document request by the government? How about a request for an interview, a civil investigation demand or CID, or a subpoena, or maybe even an administrative order? Can you get coverage for any of these? The answer is yes, if you have the right policy language, if you give notice at the right time, and if you pursue coverage properly. The key policy language is in the definition of claim. The broader the definition, the better chance you have of coverage. Now, courts have construed different policy definitions of claim, and many of them have held that claims, often beginning with subpoenas, are covered under those different policy definitions. And here's something you might not expect. Even insurance companies have argued that the beginning stages of government investigations are claims under their policy. The bottom line is, with the right policy language and the proper pursuit of coverage, you can get insurance recovery for the cost of responding to a government investigation. For more on this topic, please see the Miller-Friel website and my blog entries on this topic, including a PowerPoint presentation we did in May 2015.